Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a full day of delicious and nutritious meals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, maintain your health, or simply enjoy good food, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Breakfast. First up, breakfast. Start your day with a bowl of no added sugar Wesley topped with skimmed milk and a ripe banana. It's a balanced combo of whole grains, protein, and natural sweetness. Mid-morning snack. Around mid-morning, grab a cheese salad sandwich. Use reduced fat cheddar, load it up with fresh salad, and spread it onto slices of whole grain bread. Perfect for a quick pick-me-up, lunch. For lunch, we've got a homemade mushroom and cauliflower frittata. Pair it with peas, carrots, or any other leftover veggies you have. Frittatas are versatile, tasty, and packed with nutrients. Afternoon snack. Time for a snack. Opt for fresh fruit berries, grapes, apples, or grapefruits. They're colorful, full of vitamins, and great for satisfying that sweet tooth. Dinner. Finally, dinner. Tonight, enjoy a lean protein like grilled chicken or white fish. Serve it alongside brown rice or 100% whole grain bread. Don't forget to add some healthy fats, maybe a side of walnuts or a drizzle of olive oil. Conclusion. And there you have it, a full day of eating with healthy meal ideas. Remember, balance is key, and listen to your body's hunger cues. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.